Dental Pathshala, where we help you understand and learn dentistry better and easy. And today's topic we are going to talk about the tumor, wherein there is increase in the cell number. So without further ado, let's get started. So welcome back to another lecture. This video we are going to talk about the TNM staging of the cancer. So how do we stage, at what stage the patient is in cancer? So that is the TNM staging. We clinically stage, we know that this particular stage the cancer has reached. So this is what we talk about: T for tumor, N for nodes, and M for metastasis. That means the size of the tumor, then the regional lymph node if there is any metastasis through the lymph node, and then M signifies if there is any metastasis. Wherein in the malignant tumor the tumor spreads to other organ, right? So that is how the distance metastasis. So coming to T we have Tx. X is always when the tumor cannot be assessed. So Tx will be when the primary tumor cannot be assessed. Nx will be when the regional lymph node can be assessed. And Mx will be when the distance metastasis cannot be assessed. So X is very simple. Next comes the 0. 0 means there is nothing. So no evidence of primary tumor. N0 we have is the no metastasis of the lymph node. Then M0 is when there is no distant metastasis, right? Then we will talk about individual. So TIS is carcinoma in situ. T1 when there is primary tumor less than 2 cm in diameter. T2 is when the primary tumor greater than 2 cm but less than 4 cm in diameter. T3 is when the tumor is greater than 4 cm. And T4 is when the tumor has invaded into the adjacent structures like in the tongue, like in the maxillary sinus, or the tumor had invaded through the cortical bone. So N means the lymph node. Nx means that regional lymph node cannot be assessed. N0, that means lymph node are clinically palpable but there is no metastasis. So the metastasis of the lymph node is not suspected. Then we have the N1. So N1 is 1. That means single. Remember, start from the single. So single ipsilateral lymph node. So there is metastasis in a single ipsilateral lymph node. It can be equal to or less than 3 cm in diameter. We are talking about the lymph node metastasis. Then comes the N2A. So A is again the single ipsilateral metastasis in the single ipsilateral lymph node, but now it is greater than 3 cm or less than 6 cm in dimension. Then comes the N2B. So N2B is when there is when there is metastasis in a multiple ipsilateral lymph node. Now this is less than 6 centimeters. Next comes the N2C. So N2C we have is the metastasis in a bilateral ipsilateral lymph node and it is less than 6 centimeter in dimension. Then comes the N2C we have done, right? Bilateral or contralateral lymph node. N2C is the bilateral or contralateral lymph node less than 6 centimeter. Then comes the N3. So N1 is when single ipsilateral metastasis in the single ipsilateral lymph node, right? For N2 we have starting from A is single, B is multiple and C is bilateral or contralateral. Then 3 we have the metastasis in a lymph node more than 6 centimeter. The midline, see the ipsilateral lymph node we are talking about, that means we are talking about the midline lymph node. So all the lymph node which comes in the midline. So next comes the M. M is the distance metastasis. Mx is when the distance metastasis cannot be assessed. M0 is when there is no distant metastasis. Then comes the M1 wherein there is clinical or radiographic evidence of the metastasis. So these are, now we are going to use all of these stages. That means we will assess that the patient is particularly at third stage of cancer, patient is at second stage of cancer, right? So this is how we tell the clinical stages, and this is the reason we are studying the TNM staging. So we are going to see the size of the tumor, then we are going to check for the metastasis of the lymph node, then we are going to check for the malignancy, we are going to check if is there any distance metastasis happened yet or not happened yet, right? So this is how we are going to assess it clinically. So this is the clinical stages, which are clinical stage grouping of the cancer of the carcinoma of the oral cavity. So talk about stage 0. So stage 0 we have everything 0, and this is primary tumor is, see, if the primary tumor is 0, then there will not be any stage, right? So this is carcinoma in situ. So stage 0 is when N is 0, M is 0, but T is IS, which is the carcinoma in situ. Then comes the stage 1. Stage 1 is T1, but rest everything is going to be still 0. So N0, M0, but T is going to be 1. So stage 2 is going to be again T2 and N0 and M0, right? So till here it is very normal. So T, everything goes with a T. So stage 1, T1 will be there. Stage 2, T2 will be there. Then comes the stage 3. So stage 3 we are going to talk about 4 situation. Let's just write T, N, M, M 4 times, right? See. So this is going to be stage 3 4 times, right? So stage 3 we are going to talk about 4 situations. Starting from the T1. So I will just start from T1, then T2, then T3 I am going to write 3 times. So T3 and T3. Next talks about N. So N we have to start from 1 and M we will start from 0. So M will constantly remain 0 for the stage 3. So M will be 0 for whole of the stage 3. So M will be 0. Next talking about N. So N is the top 3 stages. I am going to write N1 and last one I am going to write N0 because we are talking about 3. The size is bigger. So there is no metastasis of the lymph node. However, there is palpable, clinically palpable lymph node. So stage 3 is T1, N1, M0, T2, N1, M0, T3, N1, M0 and T3, N0, M0. So these are the 4 clinically, if the patient has reached any of these stages, then any of the situation, then we will tell that patient is at that particular stage. Next comes the stage 4 we have, right? So stage 4. Stage 4 we are going to talk about 3 situations. We are going to talk about 3 T, N and M. So we are going to talk about 3 situations. I hope you guys can see. Okay. So stage 4 is the first one is when there is T4. So T3 we have till now, we have covered the T3, right? So we will be starting from the T4 initially. And then N we will be talking about, see, N we have talked about 0 and 1. See, that last was 0. So I'm going to write N0 and I'm going to write N1. So either it can be N0 or either it can be N1. M still remains the zeros. M again, next also M will still remain the 0. But last one I'm going to write M1. That is when there is a clinical metastasis in the last stage. Now again T, any T. It can be any T because N here I am going to raise the N up to, it can be 2 or it can be 3. So NAT, N I am going to increase, which can be either 2 or either 3. Next comes NET, NEN, but M will be 1. So there is a distance metastasis. There is a clinical or radiographic evidence of the metastasis. So stage 4 is when the T is 4, N is 0, or either it can be T4, N0, N1, M0. NAT and N can be N2, N3 and M0. And again T can be NET, N can be any N, and M is going to be 1 because we are talking about any T and any N. So these are the stages of TNM staging of cancer. So this is how we tell that patient has reached to this stage. So if you have enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Also, you can comment in the comment section below, and there is a link in the description box below to support me on Paytm as well as on PayPal to make free videos for you guys. So till then, keep reading, keep learning, stay motivated. I'll see you soon in the next video.